Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so changes stick. First, make sure battery is at least 20% or keep the charger connected to avoid interruptions. Once done, verify the T800 Ultra firmware version in Settings About. You need the updated build for advanced controls. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times and return to Settings. These steps unlock system toggles you'll use immediately. Make sure each check is completed before proceeding to deeper adjustments. Now you'll change core display parameters. Start by setting display brightness to 100% and turn off adaptive brightness so the system doesn't lower it automatically. Then open developer options and either raise LCD density slightly or enable any manufacturer HDR/contrast boost. These change how the panel drives pixels and increase perceived brightness. Once those are set, add the high brightness mode tile to quick settings and toggle it on. This forces the panel to higher backlight output. Finish by calibrating color and contrast to maximize perceived brightness. Go to Settings Display Color Profile and choose Vivid or manually increase contrast and temperature. This makes whites brighter without increasing power much. Reboot the device so driver-level changes take effect, then test outdoors in direct sun. If the screen remains dim, reset display settings first. If that fails, clear firmware cache or reflash the official build. If you need help, note error messages and firmware version before seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.